Hey, what's up, Spore Finance holder? So today video is going to be very special for Spore Finance holder, and this is a new cryptocurrency and a crypto market definitely going off like a rocket, very fastly, very fastest coin, and I think viral coin and the world, my friend, and a crypto market. So let's get started the prediction to upcoming days. They going up. What's the target, my friend? Spore Finance coin is moving up in upcoming days or now. This time I think in the crypto market is very cheapest price coin, my friend, as a Spore Finance coin. So if you invest in those days and Spore Finance coin, absolutely, if they're moving like that, absolutely they make you millionaire. They give you a very good profit, very good profit, and the price is very cheap. You can see here this time 0.000002 US dollar, my friend. This is non of very cheap, my friend. So please, before I start the prediction, I request you, my brother, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. This is very important to you. Subscribe this channel. Before I start the video, I request you to subscribe this channel. Okay, my friends, let's check out the last 7 days chart. Oh my goodness, you can see here, and the last 7 days they viral. Now you can see here, just they in the last 7 days they moving off like a rocket. So I think in the crypto market this is very viral coin. So please invest, and this time absolutely the Spore Finance coin is moving off just and only they take a jump, my friend. No fails. You can see here this time no fails down, but after this jump, my friend, they also fails down. So this is the circulation of every crypto coin, but definitely this is the end of month, and every cryptocurrency is the end of month fails down. But today, my friend, this is the new month. I hope it's a new month. They're going up like a rocket, and they hit 0.1 US dollar just at this month. If they hit just 0.1 US dollar, then please understand they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. Oh, can you see this time? 6,000, oh my goodness, 6,759%, and just in 1 week they gone up. I can't believe this. And the crypto market, I see this type of result first of all, my friend. First time I see this type of change occur in the crypto market. Oh my goodness, Spore and the moon, my friend, they got in the moon. Please invest, please. This is also good time, my friend. I am going to buy a 50,000 coin. Absolutely, my friend, I am going to invest $50,000, and there's absolutely, my friend. So please invest. This time is very good. Remember, this is not a financial video. Please remember, okay? So the good time is coming soon, my friend. If we check out this time in the last 1 hour, all crypto market is very badly fails down. Yes, absolutely, they also fails down, my friend. But definitely after this week, my friend, they go up like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon, my friend. After this fails, they also take a jump. So the good time is coming soon, and the price is going up in the moon, my friend. Good time is coming soon. Remember, please invest and hold it and wait for a good time. Thank you so much for watching. Please keep touch with us. I guide you every time, please, and I am updating you every good news or bad news. Please subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.